Hi everybody, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. In today's video, I am recreating my exposed hand bones makeup look, which went viral about 8 years ago, and I was like, why don't I just do a recreation of it and make it even better this time? This is going to be so effective and easy. This is perfect for any Halloween look or costume, and it's sure to impress your friends. So these are the things you're going to need in today's tutorial. So you need some scab blood, you need some brushes, liquid latex, some lip oil, some eyeshadow, toilet tissue, and make sure you take any rings off because you're going to get messy with liquid latex. You're also going to need some foundation as well as some powder and some sponge to apply it with. So first step is to put the liquid latex on the hand and use your fingers to blend it out across the hand, making a nice smooth layer. Then grab some toilet tissue, rip it and fit it to the hand the same size as the liquid latex. Then you want to put another layer of liquid latex on top of that and use your finger to blend it all in. And by the way, liquid latex is really potent. It smells really strong, and some people have allergies to liquid latex, so you make sure you want to do a patch test before you just put this all over your skin. So I'm also doing the same to my index finger. You can do this to every finger if you want for more effect, but I liked the one I did 8 years ago with just one finger. I thought it looked really effective. So layer with liquid latex, put another layer of toilet tissue on, and layer with liquid latex. This is just going to make it nice and thick and easy to cut through. I cannot believe I'm only doing a recreation of this now. I should have done this a long time ago. I absolutely love this look. I love how effective it is, and it's going to scare anyone on Halloween for any Halloween party. And it looks super cool. So now what you want to do is take a foundation that's similar to your skin tone and blend that in. You want to make sure you cover all of the white bits, but a lot of this I am going to cut out anyway, so I probably didn't need to do it to this extent. And I set the foundation with powder just so it's easy to apply eyeshadow and stuff on top of it. Take a small nail scissors and you want to cut a square within this patch. Now this looks scary. It will pull a little bit of your hairs off of your hand, but you just want to smoothly glide the scissors through the liquid latex. It is actually easier to cut than you may think. Take the flap out the middle and there you go. Now I'm doing the index finger. You just want to be really careful with this because you can have some loose skin around your knuckle area. But as you can see here, it's just super easy to cut, especially if you have lots of tissue layers. I did do 2 tissue layers altogether. Now you want to take a black eyeshadow and a small brush and just put this in the finger. If you don't have black eyeshadow, you can use black paint. Anything black will work. And I'm just filling in the index finger part and on top of my hand in the center of the liquid latex piece. Now I'm taking some toilet tissue and I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to make the bones with it. So people can actually buy probably prosthetics with exposed bones and stuff like that, but this is a great easy way to make your own. And this tutorial is going to save you a lot of money. Apart from getting the scab blood and the liquid latex, you should have everything else in your home already. But if you're an SFX fiend like me, you may have some liquid latex and some fake blood lying around your home. So now I'm going to create 4 bones and 1 mini bone for the index finger. I know there is 5 bones in the hand, but 5 bones would have looked too crowded and the skin layer covers the pinky bone kind of thing. So 4 bones look cool. So I'm just putting the liquid latex down on the index finger and sticking the toilet tissue on top of that and tucking it into the edges as you can see here. And then I'm cutting the big hand bones to size, making sure it fits, but don't do it too short. You want to make sure it's long enough so it fits within these flaps, like underneath. I only just cut mine to the perfect size. Like I made my index one a little bit too short. As you can see here, it kept flicking up. So yeah, layer the liquid latex on each of the bones underneath and tuck it into the flap and press it down on the hand, just squeezing the bones, making sure they're nice and round and straight and they line up with your actual fingers, like where your bones actually would be. Now I'm taking some red and blue from this palette. By the way, this is the SFX Mastery palette from Body FX. I absolutely love Body FX. If you want all things for Halloween, like paint, wig, prosthetics, They even do contact lenses on lensfx.co.nz. They do vampire teeth, they do festival glitter and makeup, they do honestly all sorts, so definitely head to their website. I do have a code that I will leave on screen here if you want to use it for some discount. So yeah, I'm just also layering some yellow on top of the bones because bones aren't pitch white. To make it look more realistic, you want to add a little bit of depth, so the yellow did that. And now I'm taking this thick blood. You can either use thick blood or scab blood. There is runny blood, but that's too runny. Like, you want to take a thick blood, and this is going to be the star of the show, and this is what's going to make your look super realistic. You just want to pack it on top of that black and alongside the edges. You want to smudge it out, like if there's any flaps or anywhere that looks kind of fake on the hand, then you can cover it with this thick blood. And it also helps to stick the bones down too. As you can see, this one keeps sticking up, so I just tucked it back under again. Put it all around the edges, and you don't want to see any like white tissue or anything. And then I just go ahead and blend this everywhere else just to make it look really gruesome and like it's being torn. And oh my gosh, I see this ant on the bench. There's ants all over my house at the moment, and it's so annoying. They probably find the sweet food somewhere. I don't know. I had to keep flicking them off for this video. So now I'm taking the NYX lip oil and I'm just blending that everywhere as well. This is not an essential step, like the scab blood does that anyway, but it's just a little bit of a lighter formula. And here is the look. This looks so cool. I love it. You guys must try it out. You will impress all of your friends and family when you do this look. Please like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.